Hey, what's up YouTube? Today's my birthday. Let me show you what my son's got for me. Got me a sous-vide machine. Want to give a big shout out to my two sons, my two youngest, Bandon and Darayle. Thank you very much. You know how your dad loves to cook, so they've heard me talk about this 1,000 times, so they finally went out and got me one, so thank you very much. I love you both. Alright, let's get her out of here. Got the, look like a guide. Look at a cookbook here. How to, I hope. Sous vide cooking. We're going to use that. Looks like we got a stand here. Hold steaks and pork chops up. We'll work on putting that together later. And the piece that goes inside. So shit. Alright, look like it'll be an easy setup. I'm sure I'm gonna find a way to get me some space in here to get a decent sized steak in there, because that looked like a breakfast steak to me. But I know I could take these pieces out and, get some good chunks in there if I so desire. So I look forward to our first cook, and until then, I'll see you.